H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Description is equal to SQL underscore store underscore procedure. It's always easy to put P. See now, if I do this, I will see all the stored procedures in this database. These are all the stored procedures. Okay. So when I put U, I will see all the tables, user defined tables. So if I execute this, I'll see that these are all the user defined tables I have. So you can even put type description equal to user table, but it's always easy to type this one. Okay. So any other questions here on system tables and sp underscore help and sp underscore help text? Please feel free to ask me if you have any questions, because you will be using this exhaustively when you join any company. You will be using this sys.object, sys.columns. Even if you go for any interview, I am sure if you tell like you are a QA, they might ask this question. Okay, yeah, I will give these queries for you. See, I went for an interview. They asked me like, you are working on a maintenance project. So this is primarily a developer question. I just wanted to share with you. I got a question. I think if I'm not wrong, this has been asked in Cognizant when I attended. So they asked me like, you are working in a maintenance project where you have a column name and you have to change that column name. You have to change that column name to some other column name. So how do you ensure that you change in all the places? So that is very careful. That is more than what we learned today. So if you want to change the column name, it is not only changing the column names. You have to even verify inside stored procedure as well. For example, imagine you have a stored procedure. Inside the stored procedure also you will have some column name. That also you need to modify. For example, let me show you this way. See here, I have a view. Okay, I'm writing, I have a view h underscore it. Inside that view I have something called department equal to IT. Now this department column is present in employee table. So now if I want to change the column name of department to DEPT, so I got a requirement like change the column name from department to DEPT. Okay, so in this case, changing the column name alone will not do for me. I have to change the column name for all the tables. I have to search in sys.columns, where in sys.columns we have something called name is equal to department, and then find the tables, and in that tables, all the tables I will write alter scripts and change the department to DEPT. Additional to that, I need to also see if I change that to DPT, do you think this view will work in future? In future this view will not work once I change that, because this column has been renamed to department to DPT. So you should be very careful when you are changing a column name. You have to change in all the views, all the stored procedures, all the places you have to verify. You have to change it. So anyway, that I'm not going to cover now, because that will be more for a tester. So we have some more system tables like sys.comments and all, which is not important for a tester. So whatever is important for tester, I have covered the details for you. Okay, so let me. Did you understand why we need? If I want to change department to DPT, why I need to focus on views and stored process as well? All of you? How about others? Did you understand? Yeah. So when you are changing a data type, you may not worry about stored procedures and views, but when you are changing column name, you have to worry about stored procedures, views, all those things, because a stored procedure is like a text, a view is like a query text. So inside that you might have column name which will refer to the old column name. So you have to be very careful when any requirement comes from changing the column name. So this was a question which they asked me in one of the interview. So this is mainly for developer. So don't worry, like as a tester you may not be required to know that. Okay, so I'll ping these queries to all of you just for your reference. So have them handy. So we just learned about sp underscore. I'll ask these questions again, so please remember this: sp underscore help, sp underscore help text, and then we learned about these queries. Please keep them, save it in the notepad, like useful queries or something. Okay, have a notepad and save this. So this is to execute a stored procedure. Okay. This we already sent it. Okay. Now I'm going to send the link for three people have to take the exam. I'm not telling the names, but please take the exam. I'll ping the link. Please take the exam without fail. Okay. So any questions here? Okay. So
Meghna,
yeah.
Is there something like a refactor in this? Where we can change all the usages wherever it is. Identifying in real time, identifying in every stored procedure view. Everywhere manually going through and identifying could. So is there a way?
No, in SQL Server there is no straight away. For example, I got your question. So, like for example, I am changing department to DEPT. So you're asking, without doing manually in all the stored procedures, is there a way where I can modify in a single code? No, in SQL Server we don't have it. So the only way developer has to do it, we have some master tables like sys comments or information schema like that, where he should verify that and he should do it manually. He should open the SP and he should alter the SP and change from department to DEPT. No straight away methodology in SQL Server.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, okay. So
can you pay this query also and couple of other queries? I think you went from 52 or something. 52.
Okay. Let me do it. So keep this as handy, because I am sure if someone is already working as they might be knowing the importance of these tables. So let me. Yeah, this is what I think you were expecting. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, now I'll be pinging the link for the exam. If anyone is having the link, can you ping me? I don't have right away. If anyone who attended the exam has the link, can you ping me? I'll ping all of. Okay, anyone has the link? Yeah, I got it from, yeah. Okay, let me ping all of you. So please, those who have not taken, please take it today without fail. So yeah, so I ping to all of you. Just click on that link, and you can just answer these questions. So I think one of the question we already saw it now, sys.types or something. So anyway, take this, and I will be, if I'll wait only till today. If you're not taking also, I'll be giving the results for others. So today you will get mails after the class. Maybe after some time you will get your score. Okay. So for those who have not taken, please take the exam. We will have exam 2 as well next week or sometime. Okay, so I got a question from one of the students, like how will we check that in all the places column name has changed, like okay, so again we will verify in sys.columns table. We will type the old column name, and if you are seeing results, that means we are still having the old column name at some places. So but verifying the column name change is bit difficult. I'm not going to cover for this, because that is more of developer thing. But yeah, I understand tester also should verify, but tester will not be asked to verify those things, because you need not verify inside code, stored procedures, views and all. That will be a part of developer role. Okay, but anyway, if you really want to know it, I'll explain sometime later how to verify that as well. Okay. Okay, so for those who have not taken the exam, please take it, and I'll stop here. From next class it will be more of complete testing. So I have some presentations, I will show it all of you, so you will see a different class from next class. Yep.
So as a tester, what do we need to verify?
We will be writing test cases. So we will see how what are all the things we need to verify. For example, in case if you have a UI, user interface, if you are saving some details, so as a tester you might need to verify whether the details are getting saved in the database or not. So like I said sometime back, if you want to change the data type of a column, maybe you might need to verify. So whatever the manager, so normally for a project we will have project lead and developers and testers. So whatever testers can do, those things normally a lead will assign to QA. So it is not like QAs will be assigned developer tasks. Okay, so we will see from next class what are the roles and responsibilities of a QA, and what are the different types of trackers we have, like we have tool called Jira tool, or we have some tools where we can log in the defects. So how to log defects, how to verify all those things, we will see from next class. Okay, so our next class will be on, I think it's on Saturday. Okay, so please join. Last Saturday I see like 5-6 students are absent for last Saturday's class, but this Saturday please join. We will have we'll discuss on we'll get started. We'll get started with testing. Okay, so any questions?